Hello everyone and welcome to Net Crypto, where you get important information and news about all coins and tokens of interest. And today we're taking another look at this scam, green Bitcoin, right? So this is a scam. Don't buy the pre-sale, right? Don't buy the pre-sale. We know that just because it's a scam, it doesn't mean you can't make a profit. But buying into the pre-sale, right, is a no-go zone. Unless you want to risk 100% of your capital, because a lot of things have happened. I believe the people behind this green Bitcoin have been behind multiple other scams like BTC 20, ETH 20, even Scotty AI, which is something that I'm going to prove to you today, right? So we do see here the normal next price increase, right? Don't believe this, because soon after this thing launches, it's going to dump, right? And a lot of people are going to be stuck in staking, sometimes even forced staking, right? I've heard stories of people being staked for even longer than the 7 days after launch, right? So if you have already bought into green Bitcoin, don't stake your tokens, because the moment that you stake, right, it means when they launch, you only be able to unstake 7 days after launch, right? And in some cases, they might even prolong your staking without even your authorization. So that's why I say don't buy in the pre-sale, right? This is a scam, at least in the pre-sale. So one thing that caught my interest today, I was just watching on X, right? They've got 10,000 followers on X, right? And I was just scrolling and I saw something that is really interesting. I saw this here, thanks at Crypto Potato, right? So we know Crypto Potato is a crypto news website. And you see the story that they are saying, thanks Crypto Potato, is investors crowd the green Bitcoin pre-sale as BTC price reaches for 75K. So they're saying, these are green Bitcoin people, the scammers, they are saying, thanks Crypto Potato. So now let's go to Crypto Potato and go to that specific article, right? So this is the article that they are saying, thanks Crypto Potato. Investors crowd the green Bitcoin pre-sales, BTC price reaches 75K. So what is this article talking about? It's talking about the crypto bull run ahead of the much awaited Bitcoin halving is going strong despite a short-term setback, and, right? And then of course it is marketing green Bitcoin. Why is green Bitcoin trending? So obviously this article is written to promote green Bitcoin. But now go to the disclaimer, right, of this article. Let's go to the disclaimer. Look at this disclaimer. It says the above article is sponsored content. It's written by a third party. Crypto Potato doesn't endorse or assume responsibility for the content. So it's a third party that just paid Crypto Potato to put the article. Crypto Potato is distancing itself away from this article, but to try and get confidence from investors, they are saying, thanks Crypto Potato, as if Crypto Potato are the authors of the article. So the scammers wrote this article, right? And then they went onto their Twitter saying, thank you, Crypto Potato, as if Crypto Potato wrote the article, right? So these are some of the things that you should see how scammers try to deceive people, right, and investors, right? And the other interesting thing is the biggest scam that is ongoing right now, because these guys of green Bitcoin have been running multiple scams. There's BTC 20 and even Bitcoin ETF, right? This one, the pre-sale ended, right? The price dumped pretty hard, right? We can just try to check here on Dex Tools how the price is going, right? Let's just give it a moment to load. Wow, like take a look at that, right? This is also another huge dump. Look at this, right? So the same thing is going to happen to green Bitcoin. You see it's 201 when pre-sale ended. This thing was like 205, so that's almost 70-80% down, right? For this specific one. So it's the same thing with green Bitcoin. They want a lot of people to be arrested into staking or to be stuck in staking, right? Sometimes even forced staking, and they will dump the price. So when they launch, they ensure everyone who bought in the pre-sale is stuck in staking. They will allow some people to be able to claim, to kind of like get some legitimacy. So you get this sort of like confusion where some people are saying, I was able to claim, but someone is saying, I'm not able to claim. And the ones who are not able, they are always told the usual story, right? Disconnect your wallet, clear your cookies, reconnect, import the token address in your wallet, claim your tokens, right? And you do those steps perfectly, but you still are not able to claim, right? It's because they blacklist wallets, right? These guys are running they've efficiently started to run these scams from what they used to do back in the day, right? So what is actually interesting about this article that they are saying, thanks Crypto Potato, is the fact that if you just scroll up a little bit, look at this. A series of Solana crypto airdrops have been pumping the dragon themed meme coin. I think they're talking about another coin as the latest announcement of whatever. And then you see they're saying here the official Smog website has launched that 10% discount and whatever, right? And now they're coming to this. Scotty the AI is another viral meme coin sensation. So now think about it, right? This is a sponsored article, and sometimes these sponsorships, they are 500 upwards of $1,000 just to post an article, right? And they are promoting these tokens. So this shows us that the scammers behind green Bitcoin, right? Green Bitcoin, this green Bitcoin right here, are the same most likely behind this Smog, whatever, right? And also behind this Scotty the AI, which I have extensively covered on the channel, right? Because this is a sponsored post. Why would someone just pay money to Crypto Potatoes to start promoting green Bitcoin and start promoting Scotty the AI, unless they are going to get some monetary returns from that kind of advertising, right? Because this is just written just for the pure, for promoting these projects. So you can see there are 3 projects here that are being promoted. I even actually checked this Smog, right? Is it an actual token? So you see meme coins continue to pump the charts. Meme coins are one way and so on. Establishing meme coins like Pepe, Shiba Inu top the charts. But strategic investors have their eyes on low cap meme coins. They are making waves with the substantial price increases. Solana meme coin Smog is a good example, which shows. So obviously they are promoting Smog here. It's a paid, remember, this is a paid article. They paid good money to write this article. So who would pay? I only pay for stuff that I advertise, right? And I know that I'm going to get a monetary benefit by doing that, right? So here we can see there is green Bitcoin, right? And there is Smog and there is Scotty the AI. And we can safely say that the same people behind these projects, it's the same people that are behind these projects, right? Let me know what you think down there in the comment section. So definitely this green Bitcoin, we are going to continue to follow it, right? We want to see exactly how things develop, but I think it's going to be identical to Bitcoin ETF, same as green Bitcoin, right? This one, I think when it actually launched, the price was 205, I believe, 205. Now it's 201, right? Massive drop. Look at the chart. There is no activity whatsoever, right? And 24-hour volume is like $387, right? That's the 24-hour volume. This thing sold out millions, right? So be extremely careful out there, right? The scammers are running amok, especially in this bull run of Bitcoin that we are seeing. Be extremely careful. These guys are scamming pretty hard, right? So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.